Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install the TRD door stabilizer on our Forerunner. Come on, let's check them out. All right, so again, these are the TRD door stabilizer. And as you can see, this is the part number that we will be using on our Forerunner. Okay, and it says here, Toyota Customizing and Development, made in Japan. All right, so full disclosure, I am aware that this might not really work on the Forerunner, basically the function. Okay, their intended function will not work on the Forerunner because the Forerunner is a body on frame. So this, you will feel the effectiveness of this particular products if you install them on a unibody vehicle like the RAV4. Okay, so RAV4, Camry, again, anything that is unibody, you will feel the difference on this one. So let's open this. Okay, so there you go. So what we'll have here is the particular item. So this is the striker, and basically that's what we have, basically the whole part. I'll remove the plastic in a moment here. So we'll have this user manual, so the install guide, it will be in here. So we will be needing some Torx bits, a T40, and yeah, so I don't know. So I think this is what's included on the thing. Yeah, so we have the bolts, we have some plastic and metal stuff in here. We'll find out. So it's in here, so it's all in Japanese. So this is basically just available on Japanese market. And yeah, so if you go online, basically you'll see what's the purpose of this. I'll put the link, or I'll put a picture in here. They show a graph and everything. So if you want to purchase this on your Forerunner, again, it's up to you. You won't really feel the difference. For me, I'm gonna put this because just for aesthetics, because it has the TRD logo on it. Like, check, and I'll show you the actual product here. If you want to save a little bit, you can get the non-TRD version of this. Basically, it's the same. It's gonna come from the same manufacturer, which is Aisin or Aisin. So the Aisin branded one, it's the same without the TRD branding. Okay, because these are made by Aisin for sure, with the TRD logo on them. So yeah, so that's the part. The function of this one basically is when you close the door, this part in here, is the one that is attached to the door, and they will actually catch in here. So they will have better support, and according to their testing on the unibody cars, it performs well. Basically, it became more rigid. Okay, so yeah, so again, I'm putting this one out on the Forerunner just for aesthetics. All right, so let's install it. All right, so I just need to arrange it. So basically, just prepare it, that what we have here, or what we need on the driver's side and the passenger side. So it doesn't matter which one goes where. It's reversible. So what we need is a T30 Torx bits and a T40. All right, and a wrench. And we're gonna need a torque wrench because we need to torque them to specs. The one on the door is just 5 Newton meters, and the one on the striker, it's gonna be 23 Newton meters. So first, let's remove the factory one. Let's start with the driver's side. All right, So this is the factory one, and this one we'll be using the T40 Torx bits. As you can see here, it is made by Aisin. See, there you go. Able to break it. So just remove this. Then we're gonna start putting the new one. All right. So now installing the new one. So what we need to do is we need to slide this open. Okay, and we're gonna put the bolt in there. We're gonna start it. Okay, don't fully tighten it, just leave it loose. Now we're gonna put the second one. All right, okay, just start it by hand and then finish it with the tool. All right, and we're gonna work on the door next. All right, so now on the door, what we need to do is we have to remove these two screws. Do not remove the third one. And then we have to put this in this position. All right, so let's do that. Then we're gonna need the T30 on this one. All right, so let's remove this. Okay, now let's put it back. There we go. Just gonna put it loosely, and then we're gonna insert the next bolt. Okay, so we're gonna leave that in there. We're gonna torque it in a moment. So let's torque the one on the door first. I'm sorry, the one on the body. So let's go there. All right, so we're gonna torque this to 23 Newton meters. There you go. There you go. Now let's torque the door. All right, so this one is 5 Newton meter. There you go. There you go. Very easy. All we need to do is put the covers in here, and we're gonna try to close it. Okay, let's try. Nope. There you go. Slides in. There you go. So you just slide the plastic in, and now let's try to close it. All right, so now let's try to close it. Just close it slowly first. Make sure that it get catch. All right. Okay. So our doors are secured. Nice. All right. So just do the same thing on the passenger side. And as I mentioned, I'm installing this for aesthetics use only. And again, I'm aware that the intended function of this will not really work on our Forerunner, but yeah, so there you go. All right, so if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, thank you for watching.